Assalamualaikum viewers, this is Atif Rehman with another episode of Twin Cooking on Twin TV. Today we will be learning one of my most favorite dishes. It's Green Chicken Karahi. So come on in and let's see the ingredients. Alright, so the ingredients we will need for the Green Chicken Karahi. To start off, I'm taking 3/4 cup oil, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed. With that, I also have a half piece of cinnamon stick, 2 black cardamoms, large size, and then 5 pieces of black peppercorn. And so I just put them all together. 1 large chopped onion, 1 cup of yogurt, 5 large green chilies that I've chopped it, and about half cup of green coriander. Then I'm taking 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1.5 teaspoon of salt to taste. 1 kg of chicken curry cut style, 1 cup of water. So let us move on to the next step. Alright, so now for our first step, we will make the masala for the karahi. And for that, we just use our green coriander, the green chilies, and the onions. And then I'm going to just put about half cup of yogurt so far, and then I'm going to mix it. Now if you notice that it's not fully mixed, then you can put the other half cup as well in the mixer. There you go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alright, so as you can see, this is nicely mixed. So it only took about a half cup of yogurt. So I will save the other half for something else. And now let us move on to the next step. Right, to start off, I have put the burner on medium flame, and I will just add the oil. And then I will just wait for it to warm up a bit. Okay, now as the oil is getting warmer, I will add the ginger garlic paste into the oil. And now I will start mixing it for a few minutes. Alright, and now I will add the garam masala into this, the cumin seeds and the cloves and black peppercorn, and mix it for a few minutes. And now we're ready to add the chicken. And after we mix the chicken, we're just going to keep it in the pan until it starts changing color. Alright, so now as you can see, the color has been changed. It looks nice and tasty. So we will now add the salt, the black pepper, and the coriander powder, and then mix it up. Alright, now once the spices are mixed, we will add the water so the chicken gets nicely done. And then we will just cover it up for about 5 to 7 minutes. Alright, so now we will just add that little chicken chutney that we made. We will add that into the chicken. And then just mix it up, and we will. Now, one thing I did was, before adding the chutney, was that I lowered the burner. I lowered the heat a bit, and now I will just cover this up for about 8 to 10 minutes, or just wait until the chicken is nicely done. So it should take about 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, now, so as you can see, the color is nice and green, as it is Green Chicken Karahi. It looks very nice. It smells very delicious right now. I can't wait to eat it. So now we will just garnish this up with some coriander, some green chilies, and some ginger. And here you go. Well, here you have it, viewers. Our very delicious green chicken karahi. Please try this recipe out. Leave a comment below if you did and send us a picture so we can post it on our Instagram. Until we see you again, please take care. Assalamu alaikum.